Hello students, we have completed chapter number 1 of geometry. Okay, today we are starting algebra. Okay, algebra. In algebra we are starting with first chapter, that is sets. Okay, first chapter of algebra is sets. Before preceding the chapter we learn something. Okay, what is this? This is a single pen, so that's why we will call as pen. And when we pick up two pen, then what will we do? What will we call it? We will call it a pair of pen. Okay, because it is two. Okay, but when will we take more than two pens, suppose 5 6 or more than that, so what will be called as? We will called as the collection of pen. Okay, so that collection in mathematics is called as the sets. Okay, the collection in our general language, in math we called as the sets. Okay, so sets is a collection of well defined object. So we define the sets as set is the collection of well defined object. Okay, so set, what is set? Set is the collection of well defined object. Well defined means the things, the object which we can be defined. Okay, we can define it by well, means that we can see it. Okay, we can measure it. That thing is considered to be well defined. Okay, the collection of that well defined object we called as sets. Okay, if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then the collection is called as the set. Okay, in mathematics, for denoting the sets there are two methods. For denotion of sets there are two methods. First one is roster form. Okay, and second one is set builder form. Okay, set builder form is also known as the rule method, and roster form is also known as the listing methods. Okay, so we will firstly learn roster form. Okay, before preceding these two forms, firstly learn how set is denoted. Okay, set is denoted by capital letters of alphabet, from for example A, B and till Z. We can denote the set by capital letters of alphabet from A to Z, any of them. Okay, and for example, if we are taking the natural number, okay, we know that natural number starts from 1. Okay, so we are considering set of natural number. Okay, we know that natural number starts from 1, so we are considering any of the alphabets from A to Z for denoting the set. Okay, suppose we are considering A is equal to, and always we will write the set into the curly brackets. Okay, these brackets are called as the curly brackets. Okay, what is given here? Set of natural number. It means that we have to create a set at which natural number are placed. Okay, so we are considering a set A at which we are placing some elements. Okay, so set of natural number, we know that the natural number starts from 1. Okay, so we will write 1 2 3 and dot dot dot, how much? Infinity. Okay, then this is the called as the set represented in the roster form. Okay, so how we read is set A is the set of natural number. Okay, so we called as the which is in the front is it is called as the set. Okay, and this is called as the curly bracket. All the things present in the curly bracket we called as the element, of which elements of set. Okay, so 1 2 3 infinity, these all are the elements of given set which is denoted by the A. Okay, so we will write as, okay, we let's start practice at 1.1. Okay, let's start practice at 1.1. In first question number 1, what is given here? Write the following sets in roster form. Okay, we have to write the following sets into the roster form. Okay, what is given in question number 1, sub question 1? Set of even numbers. Firstly, what is even numbers? Yes, the multiple of 2 is called as the even number. Okay, it starts from 2. So we will consider any alphabets from A to Z. So we are considering A. Okay, A is the alphabet which is denoting the set of even numbers. A is equal to, we will write in curly bracket. Okay, so set of even numbers, and we know that even numbers are the multiple of 2, so it will start from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. But how much it is? It is some finite numbers, for example 5, 10. No, it is infinite because it is dealing in natural number. So we will write 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma dot 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 comma infinity. Okay, so how we will so like this we will represent the set of even numbers. Okay, so A is called as the set which is denoting the even numbers, and in the set, in curly brackets we are putting elements of which set of even numbers. Okay, 2 4 6 8, these all are the elements of even numbers. Okay, so like this way we will write the sets. Okay, let's move on. Second question, what is given here? Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, so we have again here even means multiple of 2, and prime numbers. Prime numbers, we have the definition of prime numbers, the number which is not divisible by any of the number. Okay, prime numbers is divisible by only one and itself. Okay, for example 3 5 7 11 13, these all are the prime numbers, but here we have asked even prime numbers. So we know that only one number is there which is even, so we will write in first question we write here A, so that's why here we will write B. You can take any of the alphabets from A to Z. If you are taking A here, then it is obviously right. Okay, but you have to take different. So we are writing set of even prime numbers is denoted by the B. Okay, so B is equal to, in curly brackets we will put elements. Okay, we know that only one number is the even prime numbers, which is that 2. So we will write as this. Okay, so this is the set who denotes the set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, understood everyone? Because 2 is the only number, 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, only even prime number is 2. Other than 2, all all prime numbers are odd. Okay, for example 3 5 7 11 13 17, these all are the odd prime number. Okay, only 2 is the even prime number. Next one, what is given a set of negative integer? So here we have considered A B, so we will consider it C. Okay, we understood that we learned that what is negative integers. Negative integers means that simply numbers at which minus sign is there. Okay, so we have to given here negative integers, so we will write as -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, is there any limitation of the number is infinite, so we will write as dot 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 and minus infinity into curly brackets. Okay, as positive number is as positive number goes to positive infinity, like that in the way negative numbers goes to the negative infinity. Okay, next let's move on. Next question, what is given here? 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Okay, sargam here in the bracket we have given sur. Okay, we know that sa re ga ma pa dha ni, we have to write that. Okay, we have considered A B and C, so we will consider here D. We will write as same in the way sa re ga ma pa dha name. Okay, like that way we will denote all the sets. Understood everyone? These 4 questions. Okay, let's move on. Question number 2. What is given here? Write the symbolic statement into words. We have given a symbolic statements to which we have to write into the words. Okay, so let's write into words. This sign, okay, we did not see this sign in 8th standard. Okay, we are seeing this sign in 9th standard. This sign is called as the belong to. Okay, so simply we will write 4/3 is belong to. Okay, q means q is the set of rational number, so we will write as 4/3 is belong to rational number. Okay, so we will write as 4/3 is belong to rational number. So like that way we will write into words to the given following symbolic statements. Okay, next here -2, and here is a line on belongs to sign. Okay, so we will read as -2 does not. Okay, line means that it is not. So -2 does not belong to. Okay, and we know that n what is n is a natural number. Okay, n is a set of natural number. -2 does not belong to natural number. As we know, natural number starts from 1, and natural number, all natural numbers are the positive numbers. Here we have given -2. Basically we know that the -2 does not belong to the natural number, so here we are writing -2 does not belong to the natural number. Okay, next what is given here? Here we have given set builder form. Okay, we have given a set into the set builder form. We will write, firstly we will read as the set p. P is the set of p. Okay, we will read as p is the set of p, and this line is called as the such that. Okay, this line is called as the such that. P is the set of p such that p is an odd number. Okay, so here we have given a set of odd number. We know that what is meant by odd number? The number which is not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. all are the odd number. So here how we will read as p is the set of p, and this line is called as the such that. P is the set of p such that p is an odd number. So we will write as p is the set of p such that p is an odd number. So we have completed question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, do all the sums. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay, from tomorrow I will start from question number 3. Okay, thank you.